Any disturbance in my voice, or if my voice is breaking, please respond, students. Okay, students. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to my lecture. Today I am going to discuss about another next example of infix. Okay, to convert the infix expression to postfix expression. Let us see how to convert the infix expression to postfix expression. In previous class, we have solved the first example, right? Now I'm going to explain how to solve the second example. Okay, let us see that, students. Okay, everyone please take your notes and write down example 2. Now I'm going to explain the example 2. Please listen carefully. You need to solve the example 3 by yourself. I won't explain it. See, all these are problematic. Okay, you need to solve it. I request all the students to maintain the running notes. Okay, let us see it. See, first solution. One second. Solution. Divide the page into 3 columns, students. Divide the page into 3 columns. Solution. First column is scanned symbol. Scanned symbol. First column, scanned symbol. Next column is stack. First column is scanned symbol. Next column is stack. And third column is postfix. Postfix array. This is the output, okay? Postfix array. Here you are going to convert this infix expression to postfix expression. Solution. See, this is the second example. Listen carefully. See, while listening, please note down. While listening, simultaneously, you need to note down in your notes. You need to understand. Understand it and then note down in your notes. Now, first, what you need to do, you need to scan each and every symbol. Okay, you need to scan each and every symbol. You need to start from left side. Okay, see here, see the arrow mark. You need to start from left side and go towards right side. You need to scan one symbol at a time, one by one. Now, initially, see, initially stack is empty. Initially stack is empty. Write down. Initially stack is empty. Now, scan the symbol. What is the first symbol? See here. I will zoom it. What is the first symbol? Open bracket. Okay. What is the first symbol? Open bracket. Okay, see, open bracket. First symbol is open bracket. See, you got an operator. If you got operand, see, what are operands? A, B, C, D, E are operands. If you got operand, remember students, if you got operands, you need to add it to the postfix array. Operands. If you got operator, what you should do? See here. First symbol. What is the first symbol? Open bracket. See, here stack is empty, right? When stack is empty, if you got operator, here open bracket is an operator. When stack is empty, if you got operator, what you need to do? You need to push it. Push means insert. Push. When stack is empty only. When stack is empty only, you need to push the operator. Okay, write down, students. Simultaneously, you need to note down. I request all the students to note down. This is a problematic one. Okay, next. What is the next symbol? See, students, what is the next symbol? A, right? Okay, A. Next scanned symbol. You need to scan from left to right. Okay, next one. What is next one? A. See, you got this scanned symbol is operand. What you need to do if you got operand? You need to add it to the postfix array. If you got operand. Okay, here A, B, C, D, E are operands. Operators are nothing but symbols. What you need to do, you need to add it to the postfix array and write down the stack as it is. Previous stack, open bracket, right? Write down the stack as it is. Okay, students, if there is any disturbance, please respond. Please message in chat box. Is my voice is clear, students? Is my voice is clear? Students? Students? Okay, okay. Okay, see here. Next. What is the next symbol? What is the next symbol? Plus. Next symbol is plus. Plus. It is an operator, right? See, when you got operator, what you need to do? You need to compare precedence of the operator, scanned symbol, and precedence of the operator which is present inside the stack. But see here, inside the stack, what is the operator present? Open bracket. When if you got open bracket, then just simply push, don't compare. Okay, remember students, if you got operator, actually what you need to do is you need to compare the precedence of the operator, scanned symbol, and precedence of the operator which is present inside the stack. But see, inside the stack, what is present? Inside the stack, bracket. If you got bracket, what you need to do? Just push, don't compare. If there is a bracket, open bracket, there is open bracket, don't compare, just simply push the symbol, just simply push the operator. See, when you got bracket, don't do anything, don't compare. Actually you need to compare, but inside here there is open bracket, just push it and write down A as it is. Okay, do it students, please note down. Actually you need to compare. Okay, if you got operator, you need to compare the precedences, but here you got open bracket. If there is an open bracket in top of this stack, okay, you need to compare the element in top of this stack. There is only one element in this stack. What is that? Open bracket. If you got open bracket, you need to push, don't compare, push it. Push means insert. Insert plus symbol, insert plus symbol inside the stack. Okay, next. Next operator. What is the next operator? Next one. See, plus is completed. B, right? What is the next scanned symbol? B. Next scanned symbol, you need to scan one by one. See here, bracket completed, A completed, plus completed. Next, what is the next scan symbol? B. Next scan symbol is B. Write down B. If there is, if you got, if this scanned symbol is B, what is B? Operand. If this scanned symbol is operand, what you need to do? You need to add it to the postfix array. Okay, you need to add it to the postfix array and write down the previous stack as it is. Write down the previous stack as it is. Okay, I hope you understood students. Note down, please note down. Okay, students, next. What is the next scan symbol? See, after B, what is there? Close bracket. Okay, closed bracket. Let us see, closed bracket. See, if you got close bracket, what you need to do? If you got closed bracket, what you need to do is you need to pop each and every symbol. Okay, you need to pop each and every symbol from the, you need to pop means a delete. Okay, see, in stack you can delete only last inserted element. Okay, last in first out, only topmost element you can delete. So delete element one by one and add it to the postfix array. What is the element which is present in top? Plus, right? And delete on second. Okay, delete plus and add it to the postfix array, because you got a close bracket, right? If you got close bracket, what you need to do is you need to delete each and every symbol from top to, you need to delete, not from first. Okay, from top to you need to delete element one by one and add it to the postfix array. You need to do this operation until you got its open bracket. Okay, see, it's open bracket. Okay, see, there is only plus, right? Okay, delete it and add it to the postfix array. Okay, AB plus. Next, there is no another operator. Okay, what is there? Only open bracket. You need to ignore it. Ignore now. Stack is empty. Ignore it. Okay, you need to delete the elements present in this stack one by one. You need to delete topmost element. Okay, remember in stack you have to delete only topmost elements. Delete it and add it to the postfix array one by one. Here there is only one plus. Okay, there is only one operator. Delete it and add it to the postfix array. Next, there is no symbol, another symbol. What is present? There is only open bracket. There is open bracket. Ignore it. Okay, ignore it. I hope you understood, students. Now stack is empty. Next scanned symbol. What is the next scanned symbol? Next is divided by. See here, next scanned symbol. A completed, B bracket completed, divided by. Okay, divided by. Next scanned symbol is divided by. Okay, let us see, students, what you need to do. Divided by. See, if you got operator, remember, if you got operator, actually what you need to do is you need to compare precedence of scanned symbol and precedence of operator which is present inside stack. But here stack is empty, right? When stack is empty, just push it. Don't compare. There are no elements to compare. So just push it. Push. Insert. Pushing means insert operator divided by into stack. And write down same AB plus AB plus. That's all. Write down previous one. Postfix array AB plus. Okay, I hope you are understanding, students. Students, is it okay, students? Are you able to understand what I am saying? Students, you need to respond. Otherwise, I can't understand whether you are able to understand or not. Okay, up to now it is clear. Is it clear? Up to now, is it clear? Only one member has responded. Please respond, students. Up to now, is it clear? If there are any doubts, please respond, like repeat it, ma'am, like that. If there are any doubts, please. No doubts? Okay. No doubts. Okay, I'm continuing, students. Okay, next, what is the next scanned symbol after divided by? After divided by, what is there? Bracket. Bracket, open bracket. Let us see. Let us see, open bracket. Okay, open bracket, right? See, actually, this is an operator. Actually, what you need to do, you need to compare the precedences. But if you got open bracket, don't compare anything. Just push it. Remember, if you got open bracket, actually, if you got operator, you need to compare the precedences. Okay, but this is an operator only, but this is open bracket. If you got open bracket, don't compare anything. Simply just push it. Divided by, and then just push it. Push. And write down AB plus, same as it is, the previous one. Okay, note down, students. Okay, I hope you understood, students. Note down. Next. Next. Next scanned symbol. Next, what is next? Okay. Next scanned symbol. See, what is the next scanned symbol? Divided by completed, bracket completed. Next one, what is there? C. So, see, next scanned symbol, you need to scan from left to right. Next scanned symbol. C, right? C is an operand. Okay, it is an operand. If you got operand, what you need to do? You need to add it to the postfix array A, B plus C. Just add it to the postfix array. You got operand, right? C is an operand. Okay, if you got operand, you need to add it to the postfix array. A, B plus C. That's all. And write down the stack as it is, students. Write down the stack as it is. Bracket. Okay. Write down as it is. Now, write down, students. Note down. Please note down and try to understand. Listen and simultaneously note down and try to understand. It's very easy and simple. Next. 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 Okay. C completed, right? Okay. C completed. Next. What is the next scanned symbol? Plus, right? C completed. Next scanned symbol is plus. Next scanned symbol is plus. Next scanned symbol is plus. Okay, see here, plus. See, if you got operator, what you need to do? You need to compare precedence of scanned symbol with the precedence of the symbol, topmost symbol, with the precedence of the topmost. See the arrow mark, students? What you need to do? You need to compare. If you got operator, precedence, you need to compare the precedence of scanned symbol with the precedence of topmost element. What is the topmost element? Bracket, open bracket. If you got open bracket, don't compare anything, just push it. Remember, if you got open bracket, if there is open bracket as the topmost element, actually according to the algorithm you need to compare, but actually if you got operator, you need to compare precedence of the scanned symbol with the precedence of the topmost element in the stack. But what is the topmost element? See the arrow marks, open bracket. If you got open bracket, don't do anything, don't compare, push it. Push plus divided by open bracket plus, just push it and write down postfix expression as it is, AB plus C. Remember students, if you got operator, actually what you need to do is you need to compare precedence of the scanned symbol with the precedence of the topmost element in the stack. But here there is only bracket. If there is bracket, don't do anything, don't compare, just push it. Push plus onto the stack. Okay, I hope you are able to understand students. Next scanned symbol. Next scan symbol. Let us see what is the next scan symbol. Please note down simultaneously. Next is a D, right? Next one is a D. Next scanned symbol is a D. Okay, let us see it. D, if you got operand, what you need to do? D is an operand, right? If you got operand, what you need to do? Just add it to the postfix array A, B plus C, D. A, B plus C, D. Add it to the postfix array. After adding, write down the stack as it is. Okay. Just write down. See, I'm giving time. Please note down. I hope you understood, students. If there are any doubts, please message here. I'm seeing your messages. Please try to understand. This is very easy. But you need to understand the algorithm. Step-by-step process, how to do it. Okay, D is completed, right? What is the next scanned symbol? D is completed. Next scanned symbol. Closed bracket. Closed bracket. Next scanned symbol is closed bracket. Note down, students. Okay, closed bracket. See, if you got closed bracket means, actually if you got operator means you need to compare the precedence, but this is an operator only. But if you got closed bracket means what you need to do? You need to delete or pop topmost elements one by one. Delete topmost elements one by one and add it to the postfix array one by one until you got its open bracket, until you got its open bracket. Okay, see what is the topmost element? Plus, delete it, students, delete it. Pop, delete means pop it, and add it to the postfix array A, B plus C, D plus. Add it. Sorry, yes, add it. Okay, next. See, there is bracket, open bracket. Okay, next actually you need to delete, right? But there is an open bracket. You need to pop until you got open bracket. If you got open bracket, just ignore it. Don't write open bracket, ignore it. Don't write. See here, I'm erasing. Ignore it. Okay, ignore the open bracket. Don't write open bracket. You need to pop topmost elements only one by one. You need to pop topmost elements one by one and add it to the postfix array. And until you got its open bracket. Okay, until you got its open bracket. If you got open bracket, just ignore it. Don't write in this stack, just ignore it. Okay, just note down, students. I hope you understood. Next, open bracket is complete, close bracket is completed. Next one, next scanned symbol. Yes, what is the next scanned symbol? Minus. Next scanned symbol is minus. Let us see. Now see here. Next scanned symbol is, write down postfix array as it is CD plus. Okay, next scanned symbol is minus. See here, students, if you got operator, actually what you need to do, you need to compare precedence. See, now what you need to do, you got minus, and what is the operator present inside the stack? See here. See, topmost element, there is only one element. Now what you need to do is you need to compare precedence. Okay, actually if you got operator means, you need to compare precedence of the scanned symbol with the precedence of the symbol which is present in the stack. Now compare minus and divided by. Now see here, now you need to try to understand. Now if, see here, if scanned symbol, if this scanned symbol precedence, if this scanned symbol precedence is less, see, don't write. Okay, don't write. Just write on minus, that's all. Don't write anything. See here, scanned symbol. If this scanned symbol precedence is less, less means what you need to do? You need to pop the element and add it to the postfix array. I hope you understood, students. If this scanned symbol precedence is less, what is the scanned symbol here? Minus. Now see, precedence of minus and divided by. Okay, here precedence of minus is very less, divided by precedence is very greater. Okay, here when the scanned symbol precedence is very less, this is important, students. Okay, here if this scanned symbol precedence is less, you need to pop the element and add it to the postfix array. Okay, let us do it. See, there is divided by. Compare. Here scanned symbol precedence is less. What you need to do? You need to pop the element and add it to the postfix array. Pop it. Pop means delete. Topmost element only you need to delete. Plus CD plus divided by. Okay, once again see. If this scanned symbol precedence is less means you need to pop. Otherwise you need to push. Otherwise, okay, see, if a scanned symbol precedence is less, you need to pop. Scanned symbol precedence is less than the precedence of the symbol which is present inside this stack. You need to compare only topmost element in this stack. Okay, after deleting, what you need to do? See, you have deleted, right? You have deleted. See, after deleted, again you need to compare. See, after deleted, you have deleted divided by, right? After deleting, again you need to compare the precedence of minus with, again you need to compare the precedence of minus with other elements which are present inside this stack. Okay, here there are no other elements. Again you need to compare, remember that. After deleting, actually again you need to compare with the operators which are present inside this stack, but inside this stack there are no operators. What you need to do? If stack is empty, stack is empty, stack is empty. If stack is empty, what you need to do? You need to push minus, push minus. Sorry, don't write again minus, just push it. Push minus. I hope you understood, students. It's very easy, students. Once again, see, if this scanned symbol precedence is less, if this scanned symbol precedence is less than the symbol which is present in inside stack topmost element, okay, compare with the topmost element only. If this scanned symbol precedence is less means you need to delete. or pop topmost element, delete and add it to the postfix array. Again you need to compare. Okay, again you need to compare with the other operators which are present inside the stack. But here there are no other operators. Stack is empty. When stack is empty, what you need to do? You need to push the minus into the stack. Note down, students. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let us see what is the next symbol. After minus, what is the next symbol? Minus. After minus, there is a open bracket. After minus, there is open bracket. If you got open bracket, what you need to do? Don't compare. Simply push. See, if you got open bracket, 1 second. Okay, see, open bracket. If you got open bracket, actually you need to compare. If you got operator means you need to compare the precedence actually. But if you got open bracket means simply push. Simply push. Push it. Remember, if you got open bracket, simply push. And note down the array as it is. AB plus CD plus divided by. Note down, students. If you got open bracket, simply push. Don't compare with anything. Simply push it. Push means insert. Pop means delete. Remember that. If you want to delete, you can delete only topmost element only. Okay. After bracket, what is that? Let us see it. After bracket, what is the scanned symbol? Open bracket is completed. Next, what is the next one? D. Next one is D. You got scanned symbol is D. Okay. D. D. See, if you got operand, what you need to do? You need to add it to the postfix array. A, B plus C, D plus divided by and next D. If you got what is this? Operand, right? If you got operand, what you need to do? You need to add it to the postfix array. After adding, write down the stack as it is minus open bracket. Write down the stack as it is. If you got operand, what you need to do is you need to add it to the postfix array. Okay, students, next. What is the next scan symbol? I think star symbol, right? Into. Wait. Yes, star symbol. Okay, next scanned symbol is star symbol. Let us see. Yes, if you got operator means you need to compare precedence. If you got operator means you need to compare precedence. Okay, precedence of the operator. But see here, what is the topmost element? Open bracket. If you got open bracket means don't compare. Just simply push. See, if you actually what you need to do is if you got operator means you need to compare precedence of the scanned symbol with the precedence of the symbol which is present inside the stack topmost element. But what is the topmost element in the stack? Open bracket, right? Okay, see the stack. What is the topmost element? Open bracket. Don't compare. If there is open bracket, don't compare. Simply push, simply push star symbol and write down postfix array as it is AB plus CD plus divided by next D. Write down postfix array as it is. Okay, students, write down as it is. Postfix array as it is. Next. What is the next scanned symbol? I think E, right? E only. Next scanned symbol. Next scanned symbol is S. E next. Okay. What is the next scanned symbol? E. Okay. Next scanned symbol. Next scanned symbol is E. If you got operand, what you need to do? You need to add it to the postfix array. A, B plus C, D plus divided by D and E. Add it to the postfix array. Next, write down the stack as it is. Write down the stack as it is. Star. Okay, write down students, note down. Please try to understand. This is very, very easy. But you need to know the process, right? Okay, note down students. Next, what is the next operator? Next operator is close bracket, right? See, if you got close bracket, actually if you got operator means what you need to do, if you got operator means you need to compare the precedence of the operator with the precedence of the operator which is present inside the stack topmost element. But here you got operator only, but you got closed bracket. If you got closed bracket means what you need to do, you need to pop topmost element one by one and add it to the postfix array until you got its closed bracket, open bracket, until you got its open bracket. Now see here, what is the topmost element? Star symbol, delete it. Delete topmost element a, b plus c, d plus divided by d, e star. Okay, see, if you got open, if you got closed bracket means what you need to do is you need to pop topmost element, pop one by one. Okay, first delete the topmost element and add it to the postfix array. Okay, next again you need to delete another element, but here see here, what is the topmost element? What is the topmost element? Open bracket. Okay, you need to delete up to until open bracket. Okay, there is only one symbol star. Delete it. And see, ignore open bracket. Don't write it. Ignore open bracket. Don't write it. Ignore. You need to delete the elements, topmost elements one by one until you got its open bracket. You got close bracket, right? Until see here, scanned symbol is, what is scanned symbol? See here, what is scanned symbol? Close bracket. Here you need to delete each and every element, topmost element until you got its open bracket. And ignore open bracket. Don't write it or don't pop it. Ignore the open bracket. Okay. Next, what is the next scanned symbol? There are no scanned symbols. Completed. No scanned symbols. No scanned symbols. No scanned symbols. If there are no scanned symbols, what you need to do? You need to pop the elements which are present in the stack one by one and add it to the postfix array. Okay, what is the element present? Only there is one element. Pop it. Now stack is empty. Pop it and add it to the postfix array. Okay, now stop it. When stack is empty, stop it. Divided by d, e star minus. Okay, this is the postfix array. Postfix expression. This is the postfix expression. Note down students. Okay, there are no scanned symbol. If there are no scanned symbols, what you need to do? You need to pop topmost element only. Last element only you need to pop one by one. Pop one by one and add it to the postfix array. You need to do it until stack is empty. If stack is empty, stop. Write down stop. If stack is empty, right? Stack is empty, you need to stop the process. Okay, now this is the result. Okay, this is the result. AP plus CD plus divided by DE star minus. This is the answer. This is the postfix expression for the given infix expression. Okay, students, I hope you understood. Students, is it clear? Did you understand, students? I want responses from each and every member. There are 40 plus students. Only few members, very few, only 3 or 4 members are responding. What about remaining members? See, did you understand? You can easily score, right? This is only problematic, right? For problems, you can easily score it, right? You can easily score. Please try to understand. If you have any doubts, now, just right now respond. Just right now respond it. I'll explain it again, no problem. If anyone has doubts, please respond. I will once again I will explain. No doubts? Okay. Okay, students, no doubts. Now let us see algorithm. I will explain the algorithm. Before that, once again, I will explain. Before that, see here, I'm explaining. If you got operand, one second. Mm. Students, please try to answer my question. If you got operator, and when stack is empty, what you need to do? Stack is empty. What you need to do? I want responses from you, or otherwise I will call roll numbers. If you are not answering me, so I will put absent. Okay. See, first time you got an operator. Okay, you got an operator symbol and stack is empty. What you need to do, students? Students, what you need to do? You got operator and stack is empty. What you need to do? Only one member is answering. What about remaining members? Yes, I will call roll numbers. Wait. Please wait, students. I'll call roll numbers. Just wait. Please wait. Roll number 45. Roll number 45. See, if you are not answering, I'll put absent. Roll number 45. Only three students have answered out of 45 students. 40 plus students. 45. Are you present? You are absent. Okay. Okay. 45. You are absent. Next. 57. 57. 57. Please message in the chat box. 57 is also absent. See, I'm note downing. 57. Then answer my question. If you got operator, see, if you got operator and stack, when stack is empty, what you need to do? 57, Sunil. 57, what you need to do? Please answer. You don't know? Shall I stop it, students? You're not at all answering. 1 minute, madam. For what 1 minute? Next, 54. Roll number 54. Roll number 54. Okay, Sunil. Roll number 54. Here 45 is absent. Next, 54. Yes, Bhuvan. Yes, same is the answer. If you got an operator. See here, you got an operator. Nothing but symbols. When you got a symbol and when stack is empty, what you have to do? Bhuvan, not S ma'am. Please answer. If you are answering, you are present. Otherwise, you are absent. Okay, 54 is also an absent. 45 is absent and 54 is absent. Okay, students. 54. I'm asking you only. You don't know. You know or don't know? Respond it. You know or don't know? Okay, 54 and 45 are absent. 55, sorry, 45 and 54 are absent students. Very good. Few of these students are answered like, yes, you need to push. Push operator. Push operator. Okay, push means insert the operator into the stack. You need to insert the operator into the stack. Next. Just wait. Please wait, students. 1 second. Okay. Okay. See. Next. If you got operand means just like A, B, C, something like this. If you got operand, what you need to do, students? I need responses. Otherwise, I will call roll number. Okay, Bhuvan. Now answer my question, Bhuvan. 54 answer right now. See here. If you got operand, what you need to do? If you got operand like A, B, C, D, something like that. If you got operand, what you should do? Push op. I'm asking operand, not operator. operand like A, B, C, something like that. If you got operand, if this scanned symbol is operand, operand A, B, C, something like that. If you got operand, what you need to do, Bhuvan? 54. What array? Okay, you need to add it to the array, postfix array. Okay, very good, Bhuvan. Okay, you are present. Next, remaining students, please respond. Those who know, please respond, students. Okay, very good, Bhuvan. Postfix array. Remaining students, those who know, please respond. Those who know the answer, please respond. Yes, roll number 1, Sohel. Yes, add to the postfix array. Very good. Remaining members, very good. Roll number 54 and roll number 1. Rajalakshmi, Haripriya, add it to the postfix array. Okay, students. Okay, add it to the, if you got operand, what you need to do is add to postfix array. Add to postfix array. Okay, next. See here, there are two operators. Okay, see, there are two operators. Just simply assume. Now you got some operator like plus. Just assume, students. There is another. Okay, see. Now what you need to do, I will explain. Please wait. No need your answers. I will explain. See. Now this scanned symbol is plus. See, listen carefully, students. Listen carefully. See, now scanned symbol is plus. If you got operator, what you need to do? If this scanned symbol is operator, you need to compare the precedences. You need to compare the precedence of the scanned symbol and the precedence of the operator. Topmost, see here. See the arrow symbol? Topmost element. Now, see, scanned symbol. What is scanned symbol? Plus, right? The precedence of plus is less, right? See, the precedence of scanned symbol plus is less than the precedence of star. When it is less, what you need to do? If this scanned symbol is less, you need to pop the element. See, pop the element and add it to the postfix array. This is a postfix array. Postfix array. Add it to the postfix array. Now, what is the element? Divided by. There is only divided by. You need to delete topmost element only, and you need to compare with the topmost element only. Okay, compare plus precedence and star symbol precedence. Here scanned symbol precedence is less. When scanned symbol precedence is less, you need to pop topmost element star symbol and add it to the postfix array. Next, again you need to compare. Okay, students, again you need to compare. After deleting, again you need to compare. See, again compare plus and divided by topmost element only. There is only one element. Compare the precedence of scanned symbol. What is the precedence of scanned symbol? Less only, right? It is less than the precedence of divided by. Here precedence of divided by is greater. Okay, here see here plus. This is scanned symbol. Scanned symbol precedence is less. Less means you need to pop it. Now stack is empty. Pop and add it to the postfix array. Okay, actually if there are any, again if there is an operator, again you need to compare the precedence. Okay, remember, again in this stack, if there is operator, again here there are no operators. After deleting divided by, there are no operators. Stack is empty, right? But assume that if there are again any operator, again you need to compare precedence of plus with that operator which is present inside the stack. Okay, but here see here there are no operators. Stack is empty. When stack is empty, you need to push scanned symbol onto the stack. Remember that. Okay, now next. If scanned symbol precedence is greater, what you need to do? Greater means push the symbol onto the stack. Once again, see, If scanned symbol precedence is greater than the precedence which is present, precedence of operator which is present inside this topmost stack, inside this stack topmost element. Okay, if this scanned symbol precedence is greater means you need to push this scanned symbol, push this scanned symbol, or if this scanned symbol precedence, if scanned symbol precedence is less, if scan symbol is precedence is less means you need to pop. Okay, pop again, you need to pop again, compare after deleting again, you need to compare precedence of scanned symbol and precedence which is present, precedence of operator which is present inside this stack. See here, see again you need to pop, right? After deleting again you need to, sorry, after comparing. Okay, if it is less, see here, plus precedence is less than star symbol, right? Less means again you need to pop. After popping again you need to compare with divided by. Again if this scan symbol less means again you need to pop divided by. Okay, if stack is empty means push. And if scanned symbol precedence is greater, greater means what you need to do, just push the operator onto the stack, that's all. I hope you understood, students. Is it clear, students? Students, is it clear? Is it clear, students? Please respond. Is it clear for you? Now try to solve example 3. Okay, students. Now try to solve example 3. If there are any doubts, tomorrow please ask me. Now I will explain algorithm. Now see this, students. Algorithm. See the algorithm. I will explain the algorithm. Same process, students, same process, very easy. See, the algorithm will be very lengthy, but it is very easy. Try to understand. Try to understand, students. First, start. Step 1 is start. Next, declare a postfix array. Okay, there must be postfix array where the result will be stored. Next, initially stack is empty. Initially stack is empty. Here postfix array is nothing but which contains postfix result. What is the result? Postfix expression. Postfix expression. Okay. Next, you need to create stack is empty. Okay. You need to stack must be empty. That means top equal to -1. When top equal to -1, stack is empty. Next, what you need to do? You need to read infix expression. S is nothing but infix expression. See here. 1 second, I will clear it. See, you need to read or scan the symbol. Okay, S is the infix expression from left to right. From left to right, you need to scan the symbol. Let the scanned symbol be C. Here C is nothing but scanned symbol. Scanned symbol. S is nothing but expression, infix expression. Okay. S is nothing but infix expression. Now you need to scan from left to right. Let the symbol be scanned symbol be C. Now see here. Step 5. 1 second. I'm sorry. Now see this step 5. What is the condition? If C is equal to operand. See, if scanned, what is C here? Scanned symbol. Okay, students. Here C is nothing but scanned symbol. If this scanned symbol is operand, what you need to do? Add to the postfix array. Okay, see, if condition is true, you are going to add it to the postfix array. Scanned symbol is operand. Operands are nothing but like A, B, C, D, like that. Operators are nothing but plus, minus, divided by, star. All these are operators. Now, next step. Next, see here. See, 1 second. Now, see, this condition is false. Here, the scan symbol is not operand. Okay, the scan symbol is not at all operand. Okay, if it is not operand, what you need to do? What you need to do? See, you need to see. Stack is empty. If stack is empty, what you need to do? You need to push. Okay, students. If stack is empty, you need to push. Just push the scanned symbol. Okay. Okay, when this condition will execute, when scanned symbol is not at all or operand. Okay, see, if scanned symbol is not operand, this condition becomes false. When this condition is becomes false, the control goes to else part. What is present in else part? If stack is empty, if a stack is empty, what you need to do? You need to push C onto the stack. What is C here? C is nothing but scanned symbol. Scanned symbol. Same process, students, is very easy, but the algorithm will be lengthy. But don't fear, it is very easy. Next, step 6. Now see here. If C is left parenthesis, what is left parenthesis? Open bracket, students. Left parenthesis means open bracket, right parenthesis means close bracket. Okay, open bracket, left parenthesis means open bracket. If you got, if the scanned symbol here, C is nothing but scanned symbol. If a scanned symbol is a left parenthesis, that means open bracket. If you got open bracket, what you need to do? Simply push parenthesis onto the stack. That's all. If this condition is true, you are pushing the parenthesis onto the stack. If this condition is false, the scanned symbol is not at all a open parenthesis, then what you need to do? Let us see. Else if, another else if condition. See, if C is a right parenthesis, what is right parenthesis? Closed bracket. If C is nothing but scanned symbol, if you got scanned symbol is left parenthesis, that means closed bracket. If you got closed bracket, what you need to do? See, pop. Pop all the operators from the stack. See, what you need to do if you got a closed bracket? Pop all the operators from the stack and add it to the postfix array. One after one. Okay, one after one, you need to pop all the elements, topmost elements only. Pop all the operators from the stack and add it to the postfix array one by one until left parenthesis is encountered, until you got its open bracket. Okay, until there is open bracket inside stack, until open bracket, you need to delete all the elements and add it to the postfix array one by one and ignore left parenthesis open bracket. Okay. Okay, next. See, this scanned symbol is not a left parenthesis. This condition is false. When this condition will be false? When scanned symbol C is not at all a left parenthesis and control comes here and see here C is not at all. If when this condition becomes false, when scanned symbol is not at all a right parenthesis, okay, it is not left parenthesis, it is not right parenthesis, then what to do? See, now what to do? Now, precedence of scanned symbol. See, 1 second, students. Precedence of scanned symbol. What is scanned symbol here? C is the scanned symbol. Precedence of scanned symbol is less than or equal to. Students, see here. If you got here, there is minus and you got plus. This is the scanned symbol. Scanned symbol. See here. If it is scanned symbol is less, if the precedence of scanned symbol is less than the precedence of the symbol which is present inside the stack. What is the symbol which is present inside the stack? Minus, right? But see here, the precedence of plus and minus are equal. When they are equal also, you need to pop. Remember, students, see the algorithm. According to the algorithm, if the precedence of the scanned symbol is less, okay, if less or equal, here you need to pop the minus from the stack. Okay, because here the precedence of plus and minus are equal. When it is equal or when the precedence of scanned symbol is less means you need to pop. Okay, you need to pop and add it to the postfix array. Again, control goes to while loop. See, students, this is a while loop. While loop, that means again you need to compare. See, while loop, right? There is divided by star symbol. There is plus. See, you need to compare with the topmost element. After comparing, here precedence of plus symbol is less than the precedence of star, right? You need to pop it, delete and add it to the postfix array. After adding, this is a while loop. See, students, this is a while loop. That means again you need to repeat the process. What is the process? Again you need to compare the precedence of plus with divided by. Next symbol, what is the next symbol? After deleting star symbol, what is the next symbol? Divided by. Again compare it with it. Again, if the scanned symbol is less, see here, again scanned symbol is less, again you need to delete it. Again you need to delete this symbol and add it to the postfix array. Okay, you need to repeat this process until the scanned symbol is precedence of scanned symbol is greater. Okay, if it is greater, what you need to do? Until, see, this is the end of the while loop. Okay, when the while loop will be ended? When stack is empty. When stack is empty, when the, see here, see, when the stack is empty, here the while loop will be ended, or when scanned symbol precedence is greater. Okay, that means when this condition is false. When this condition will become false? When precedence of the symbol, scanned symbol, is greater. Okay, remember that. Greater means you need to push. Okay, if it is greater, control comes to the outside the while loop and you need to push the symbol onto this stack. That's all, completed. It's very easy, students, but um one second. There are, see how many steps? There are 7 steps. You will feel that it is very lengthy. Don't feel. Okay, it is very very easy. If you understand, it will be very very easy. I hope, students, you got it. Okay, is it clear, students? Algorithm, it is very easy, students. You need to practice it, otherwise you won't get. It's very easy, but you will feel that it is very lengthy, but it is very easy if you understand. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Students, please try, everyone, all the, I request all the students to try example 3 and see whether you are getting correct answer or not. See, students, see here. See, you need to solve, every student, please. I request all the students to solve the third example. Okay, third example. I have given answer also. Solve it and compare with the answer whether you have solved correctly or not. Okay. I request all the students to try it. After 4 o'clock, please try it. Okay, students. Thank you so much. Is it clear, students, for you? Please respond, students. Are you able to understand today's class? Is it okay for you? Okay, students, please try. I request all the students. I request all the students to please try the example 3 and see whether you got the correct answer or not. If you got any doubts, please respond in tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you very much.